How to increase and extend battery life on your Android phone. Now, in order to increase battery life in your Android phone, I'm going to share 3 tips in this video, so please listen carefully. The first one that you need to keep in mind is that don't use your phone while it is on charge, because whenever your phone is in charge and you use your phone continuously for a long time, your phone starts to heat quickly, and because of that your battery will be damaged later on, so it is not good for your battery health. And the other thing is to check your battery settings on a daily basis. If daily is not possible, at least check it weekly, so that you can know what applications are using your battery more and what applications are using your battery less, and you can put the application which are not being used in the deep sleep, and that will protect your device's battery. And you can also turn on the background usage limit in order to limit the application from using the battery which you have not intended to be used on background, so you can stop that. And the last thing that you can do is to enable the battery protection mode, which will adjust your charging behavior to extend the lifespan of your battery according to the phone settings. You can enable it as well in order to save up your battery health. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.